Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. We'll to presenting about monitoring plant pathogen inoculum in soil. Next. Our member is Aida Femnin with student number 075 and Muhammad Irsyad with student number 080. Arifan Nur Hanani with student number 081 and Toirin Wahyuning Tias with student number 082 and Nindi Ihwatun Salma with student number 083. Next. Inoculum is part of pathogen or pathogen carried by the agent, a certain substance that make contact with plant. Only a few inoculum can reach the appropriate host. Soil-borne inoculum can reach suitable host plants through substance secreted by roots. The inoculum most pathogen is carried to the plant host by the wind, water, and insect. The air inoculum land on the plant because of gravity and by the rain.
Fungi is inoculum can be mycelium, spores, and sclerotium. And then bacteria, virus, and mycoplasma is inoculum can be individual bacteria, individual mycoplasma, and virus particles itself. And then parasite plant, inoculum, fragment or seed of the parasitic plant. And then nematodes, the inoculum can be eggs, larvae, or adult nematodes. Next. Inoculum soil-borne pathogenic inoculum must be viewed in terms of dynamically changing condition in the soil environment. The inoculum potential has been proposed as a way of conceptualizing the change in the efficiency or energy of disease-causing propagules.
The next material is soil sampling. Next. Soil-borne pathogens are heterogeneous. That is, they are evenly distributed in the land, even on a small scale. The use of diagonal transects in the field can be applied to general surface. For some pathogens, a standard pattern such as a W is often considered ideal. A W pattern consisting of 30 till 40 subsamples or soil scores. Producing a composite sample is recommended for general field survey. A W pattern with samples drawn at random point with a minimum of 70 subsamples is required. Next. Determine the sampling area. First sampling unit is the small unit of observation, example, clump, stem, and leaf. And then sampling interval is the time interval between one observation and the next observation in the same sample unit, based on the growth capability of the plant, the insect, or disease life cycle, etc. The last is sample size or size. Determining the sample size or the number of sample units will determine the quality of the observation. Generally, the number of sample units, the more it will represent or accurate and high accuracy the real condition in the field. Next. Sampling design. The design or sampling pattern for placing the sample for the placing sample unit can use a variety of patterns that can be adapted to condition in the field. The type of sample design such as diagonal patterns, zigzag patterns, and line patterns.
Monitoring technique. Monitoring on soil needs to be done because soil can directly affect health in the form of soil-borne disease. Several microbes in the soil are pathogenic to plants, including fungi, bacteria, and virus. Purposive sampling method. Sampling based on predetermined characteristics and adjust to the objective of our research program.
Bite method. Use pieces of leaves that have been sterilized. Then the leaves are slightly pressed into the soil so that the top surface becomes slightly submerged in the soil and then incubate at the room temperature. The higher the density of the sporangium infested in the soil, the higher the percentage of infected leaf piece. Next is observation variables. The first is noting the times of the appearance of the first black spot symptoms on leaf piece. The second is calculate the percent of infected leaf. Formula is PI is N divided by V times 100%. N is number of infected leaf piece and V is number of leaf piece observed. Next. Serology method. Serology is the study of diagnosis and experimental procedure related to immunology and involving serum reaction. This serology test utilizes an antibody in the serum and then can detect certain microorganisms. One of the serology tests uses the enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay method, which is a biochemical technique in the field of immunology to detect the percent of antigen in the form of protein in a sample. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.